Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate workflows in Coda using the free features so you can save time, reduce manual work, and make your docs smarter without spending a dime. Start by opening your Coda doc and creating a table to manage your tasks, projects, or any recurring processes. Next, explore the free automation options. In Coda, you can set up basic rules like sending notifications, updating statuses, or adding rows automatically. For example, you can create a button column that, when clicked, moves a task to the next stage, updates the date, or copies information to another table. Buttons and simple formulas can automate repetitive actions without needing paid features. You can also use checkboxes, formulas, and linked tables to trigger actions automatically. For instance, use if formulas to change task status when a condition is met, or filter and lookup to pull related information from other tables. Combine these with buttons to create mini workflows like task approvals, content publishing pipelines, or lead tracking systems. Even without paid automations, these free features let you replicate complex workflows inside Coda. Remember to test your automations regularly, keep your tables organized, and use clear labels so you always know what triggers what. With careful setup, your workflows become efficient, reduce errors, and help your team collaborate seamlessly. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Start using Coda's free automation features today and simplify your work while keeping your projects organized and on track.